If you want to stop recurring charges on your Netflix account, follow these simple steps to cancel your subscription effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account that you want to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the Membership and Billing section. In Account Settings, scroll down to the Membership and Billing section. Here, you will see details about your current subscription plan and billing information. Step 4. Cancel Membership. Click on the Cancel Membership option. Netflix will prompt you with information about what happens when you cancel. Read through the information and confirm your decision to cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After confirming your cancellation, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Netflix to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can stop recurring charges on your Netflix account. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Netflix customer support for assistance.